Hello, and welcome back to Tennessee Railfanning Productions. Today, we are near Richmond, Virginia, on the CSX RF&P subdivision, checking out some CSX manifest and intermodal trains. For our first shot, we see CSX IO33. This train in particular would have the CSX Baltimore and Ohio Heritage Unit leading. This Heritage Unit being the first of the 21 Heritage Units CSX released. Right behind the CSX IO33 was CSX IO35. Both of the trains will be going to Jacksonville, Florida at the intermodal facility down there. Both of these trains actually, will be going upwards to 50 to 60 miles per hour, which is a lot faster than what I'm used to. The next day, we would wake up to not many trains until CSX M419. This train would have two GEVOs in the lead and would be flying through Henrico, Virginia. After the M419 cleared, we would make the 25-mile trek up to Daweswell, Virginia. Our reason for coming up here was hearing of a grain train, symbol G634, coming out of Richmond, Virginia, crossing the Daweswell Diamond just after Amtrak had got through. Wasn't quite able to catch the Amtrak as we had just pulled into the parking lot whenever the Amtrak came flying through. Because the train had to move slow across the diamond, we were able to jump ahead of it just west of Dawesville, Virginia. We would then point the car to the south to go visit Ashland, Virginia. I've caught many of trains at this location in the past, and today would be no different. Our first train would be CSX M418. This train would have 2 GEVOs in the lead. Although very backlit, a nice train to catch in Ashland. Next up, we have a familiar face, CSX IO35. This train will come through Ashland with a much longer train than he had the previous day. Next in line will be CSX M410. This manifest, just getting started from Richmond, Virginia, is ACA Yard has a GVO in the front and an SD70 AC trailing second.
All right, get ready for it.
As M410 sneaks by the Ashland Depot, we see CSX I-33 coming up beside him on the opposite track. This will be the last train of the day and of our trip. Thank you all for watching.